So we are going to go now to the LX Factory, a beautiful place. And this guy, what's his name? I forgot his name.
Lucas.
Lucas. Hello, Lucas.
Nice to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you. Gracias.
Muito obrigado.
Yes. Very good. And we are going to LX Factory. We're going to see everything. You're going to show us on the way. You're going to explain us.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
So you're from where originally?
Lisbon.
From Lisbon. And you do this for how long? You do this tuk-tuk things?
Well, before the COVID, I was working here for 2 years.
Yeah.
Then COVID happened, and I moved to France.
Oh, you moved to France?
Yes, I moved to France, and now I return.
Now you return?
Yeah.
Okay,
Just
because
the season begins again, and the life is continuing.
Right, but it's still, I see here the COVID situation here is a little bit
We're trying to follow the rules, and I hope it will last fast as you can.
I hope it will not last, you mean to say?
No, to finish, sorry.
To finish.
To finish, sorry.
Yeah. Hi guys, my name is Peace and I'm traveling around the world, so let's peace out and go.
Was named the Bridge Salazar, who is the name of the dictator.
Oh, the bridge that had the name of the dictator before the revolution. And you said that that bridge is the same guy who built the Washington Bridge?
No, from San Francisco.
From San Francisco, yeah.
San Francisco.
He's the one who built this bridge.
The same.
I see. We are getting very close to the LX Factory, and you can already see the sign right in front there where it says LX Factory. And the bridge is right there on top.
Right. So
here we are inside.
Yeah, and you have restaurants, you see bar and that factory, and on the right.
The factory is which building is the factory?
This building. You go there.
The huge one.
This is on the right.
Yeah, on the right. After the red one.
Yeah.
So as you can see here, this is the entrance to the LX Factory. It's right behind the bridge that Lucas was telling you before, the red bridge. And this area, this place, was a significant place for many years in the past. Since 1846 is when the textile and weaving factories were here, and it was a major business in those days. And years later, of course, the textile went out, and the government wanted to demolish the place. And you can see the building right there. Right there is the building where the original factory was. And then came the artist, the organization who takes care of all the artists together. They united all together and they asked the government not to demolish this place because they want to keep this place authentic as it was. And what happened is, since then, well, it became a place of art, of bars and leisure and beautiful restaurants and many art galleries. And we are going to explore the LX Factory as it is. Okay, this was the original textile company, the LX Factory. And as I said before, right now the artists have taken it over and everything is about art and restaurants and bars. What I want to see is if we can go in and see the original building inside.
Pardon me for the distraction. If you enjoy this content, please hit the like button. Thank you.
So we are going in. Let's go in where the factory was, in the building itself. Let's see. Let's see what we got over here. Okay, as you can imagine, the walls are already painted with many stuff. Oh, there are still ancient machines here from the textile company. Here you see them. This is one. Oh, here's another one. Another old machine. An old textile machine. Wow. Very nice. As you can see, art is everywhere. Here's the studio. Filming studio, I guess. That's what it looks like. I should have gone there and made my channel over there. Here's another machine. Wow. I guess I shouldn't touch this. Maybe I should. Oh. Okay. What else do we have here? Here's another machine. Well, look, these machines are from the 18th century. Quite amazing to see. Although I have no idea what these machines are doing. Okay, what else do we have here? Art shops. What is this, for kids? Okay. Okay, let's go up the second floor. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, wow. Here we have some heavy-duty machines. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Look at these machines. Look at these machines. Oh, what is that? This looks like an old film machine. Hey! Okay. Looks like an old film machine or something. I thought only textile, or maybe it has to do with textile something. Let's see what we have here. Well, it's a little creepy alley. Good, let's go. Okay, here's a rooftop or something. Let's explore. Let's see what we see here. We see the bridge from here. Let me see if I can stand on it and not fall. Yup, you see the red bridge. The beautiful bridge. I don't remember the name of it right now. So, I guess if I was working here, I would come out here and smoke, right? Okay, so we did the exploring, and as Harold Baldo says, he approves, and I agree. All right, this is the third floor. Okay, here's another machine again, similar machine. Just think of it, in this building, there was a whole life going on here in the past. I mean, besides just doing, this is the toilets. Oh, this is the men's. This was the women's and this is the men's toilets. The factory toilets, I guess, from the past. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's even flowers growing in the bathroom. Oh, that's funny. There's even flowers growing. There are even some leaves. Woo. Well, I guess the green color is already new, but the sink is very old, very ancient. As I just said a minute ago, think of it, an entire life of hundreds of workers and people evolved here in this place. Here was, I guess, the old lift, which was going up and down to take the stuff, you know, the textile. All right, what do we have here? Here's an old type machine. Very nice. Yeah, this is how life goes. Life goes and life counts. So, an entire factory, which probably sent out millions of worth of clothing and fashion all around the world, has vanished. Today, everything has gone to China, to Turkey maybe, who knows elsewhere. But at least some artists and some restaurants know how to take advantage of this place. Here's another alley, the other side of the building. And we have music, so we have to run away. Yep, everything is about art and bars. All right, look at this beautiful house. It's a building. How beautifully crafted it is with art. I guess it's pictures, but whatever it is, it's very, very nice. Wow, what a beautiful building. That's behind that bridge. Very nice. This was right behind the LX Factory. And it's nice. Lisbon is nice, there's no doubt about it. It's beautiful. If you have made it to this part of the video, I'm pretty sure you have enjoyed it, didn't you? So let me recommend that you watch this one next. But before you do that, I'll really appreciate if you'll leave a big like and also subscribe if you want to enjoy more videos just like this. Peace.